Morning students. Today we will discuss about the breastfeeding. We will discuss about anatomy of breast. You can see here muscle cells. In that oxytocin makes them contract. Second, milk secretory cell. In that prolactin makes them secrete milk. Then ducts. Then lactiferous sinus which can helps milk collect here. Then nipple, areola, Montgomery's gland, alveoli, supporting tissue and fat. Now we will discuss introduction. Breastfeeding is the best natural feeding and breast milk is best milk. The basic food of infants is mother's milk. Breast milk meets the nutritional as well as the emotional and psychological needs of the infant. UNICEF stated that every year over 1 million infants die because they are not adequately breastfed. Definition of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the feeding of an infant's or young child with breast milk directly from female human breast. Example, via lactation, not from a baby bottle or other container. Now we will discuss about the physiology of lactation. First, nipple stimulation from baby's breast sucking, message sent to spinal cord, then brain, increased prolactin level released by anterior pituitary for milk production, increased oxytocin level released by posterior pituitary for milk ejection reflex. Now we will discuss about the advantages of breastfeeding. First advantage, nutritive values. What are the nutrients in breastfeeding? It can be mentioned in the slide. First, contain all the nutrients in right amount needed for optimum growth and development. Second, contains lactose and galactose which is essential for brain growth. Third one, breast milk helps in absorption of calcium which helps in bone growth. It contains amino acids which helps in neurotransmission. Then breast milk fats are polyunsaturated fatty acids which helps in myelination of the nervous system. Then it has vitamins, minerals, electrolytes and water in right proportion necessary for intestinal tract. Second, digestibility. Breast milk is easily digestible. The enzyme lipase in the breast milk help in digestion of fat. Protein like lactoalbumin and lactoglobulin from that is easy to digest. Third one is protective value. In that anti-infective properties, macrophages, lymphocytes and polymorphs, secretary of IgA, lysosomes, lactoferrin inhibits growth of E. coli, antiviral agent. This prevents risk of GI means gastrointestinal tract, then RTI respiratory tract. Protect the infants from allergy, malaria, malnutrition, dental caries, vitamin deficiency, etc. Fourth one is maternal benefits. Reason to initiate breastfeeding? Why mother should give the breast milk to the baby? First, reduce maternal bleeding after delivery. 27% deaths are due to postpartum hemorrhage. Involute uterus, reduce stress, delay ovulation, protects from pregnancy. Reason to continue breastfeeding. Why? Increase postpartum weight loss, because after delivery mother can gain the weight, but it helps to reduce the weight. Reduce type 2 diabetes risk, reduce cardiovascular risk. Fifth one is psychological benefits. Promoted physical and emotional bonding between baby and mother. Promotes development of higher intelligence and feeling of security in infants. Sixth one is family and community benefits. In that, economic in term of saving of money, time and energy. Family has to spend less on milk, health and illness. Contraception are reduced. 7 general advantages in that: always available, no preparation time, proper temperature, clean and fresh, free to contaminating agent and cheap. Now we will discuss about the initiation of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding should be initiated within first half an hour to 1 hour of birth or as soon as possible, and within in 4 hours in case of cesarean delivery. Different composition of breast milk. First one is colostrum or early milk. It is secreted during first 2 to 4 days after delivery. Thick and yellow fluid provides 58 to 70 calories per 100 ml. Secretes 10 to 40 ml per day. High in protein, electrolytes, sodium, potassium, chloride and vitamin A. Low in fat and carbohydrate. Lactobacillus bifidus factor contains antibodies, immune system cells. Second one is transitional milk. Secrete during first 4 to 10 days of postnatal period. Has increased fat and sugar content and decreased protein and immunoglobulin content compared to colostrum. Third one is mature milk. In that, mature milk is produced from approximately 10 days after delivery up until the termination of the breastfeeding. It is watery, contain all nutrients for optimum growth and development. Now, fifth, discuss about the fore milk. Secreted at the starting of the regular breastfeeding, more watery, satisfy the baby's thirst, contain more proteins, sugar, vitamins and minerals. Last one is hind milk. In that, secreted towards the end of regular breastfeeding. It contains more fat, energy, satisfies hunger, higher in fat, lower in carbohydrate. Released after 10 to 20 minutes into the feeding. Now we will discuss about the technique of breastfeeding. First, mother should be comfortable and relaxed physically and mentally. Second, correct positioning of mother and baby. Third one is latching. rooting reflex, milk secretion or prolactin reflex, ejection or oxytocin reflex, shocking reflex. Fourth one is interval of breastfeeding, in that initially 1 to 2 hours interval and then on self demand by the baby. Fifth one, duration of feeding based on the vigorous of the baby. One breast should be emptied completely before starting the another. Burping in case of inadequate latching. Position after feeding placed on right side. Breastfeeding should be continuous exclusively 6 months of age. Complementary foods can be started after 6 months of age, but breastfeeding should be continue up to 2 years of age. Mother should contain hygienic measures like daily bath, breast care, etc. Exclusive breastfeeding, that is the infant only receives breast milk without any additional food or drink, not even water. Proper latching on. First, baby's mouth wildly open and full of milk. You can see the picture. Baby's mouth widely open and full of milk. The chin touching the breast. Lower lip turn outward. Fourth one is majority of areola inside baby's mouth. These 4 categories for proper latching on. Position of breastfeeding. First one is cradle hold. You can see the picture. This is the most common position used by mother. Infant's head is supported in the elbow. The back and buttocks is supported by the arm and lifted on the breast. Football hold position. The infant is placed under the arm like holding a football. Baby's body is supported with the forearm and the head is supported with the hand. Many mothers are not comfortable with this position. Good position after operative procedure. Side lying position. The mother lies on her side, her head and shoulder with pillow. The infant is also lying down facing the mother. Good position after cesarean section. Allow the new mother some rest. Most mothers are scared of crushing the baby. Cross cradle position. You can see the pictures. I already put the pictures. Ideal for early breastfeeding. Mother hold the baby crosswise in the crook of the arm opposite the breast. The infant is to be fed. The baby's trunk and head are supported with the forearm and the palm. The other hand is placed beneath the breast in a U-shaped to guide the baby's mouth to your breast. Australian hold or saddle hold position. This is also called the saddle hold, usually used for older infants, not commonly used by mother. Best used in older infants with runny nose, ear infection. Twins football position. You can see the pictures. Contraindication of breastfeeding. Active untreated TB if mother is having a tuberculosis. Second, mom takes radioactive compounds, cancer for chemotherapies, ergotherapies. Mom take illegal drugs, HIV infection. In this condition, the breastfeeding will be contraindicated for the baby. Now, sign that the baby is getting enough breast milk and indicators of adequate breastfeeding. First, he is counted for 1 to 2 hours after a feed. He passes clear dilute urine 5 to 6 times a day. He passes bright yellow watery stools 3 to 8 times a day. He regains birth weight after 2 weeks 18 to 30 grams per day. Breast is full before feed and softer afterwards. Baby sleeps well and does not cry frequently. Audible swallowing sound during the feed. Now, breast milk supply can be increased by frequent feeds day and night, allowing unlimited breastfeeding to satisfy baby suckling and needs. Mother to eat and drink sufficient quantities of satisfied baby suckling her hunger and thirst. Cultural foods like ginger and rice wine are compatible with breastfeeding. Breast milk storage, unless being used immediately, refrigerator in within 1 hour. Warm the milk in container of lukewarm water and running water. Once milk is thawed, it should be used within 24 hours. Once milk is warmed and not used for the feeding, it should be discarded. Now we will discuss about the place of storage and what are the temperatures, maximum storage time. In room, temperature will be 25 centigrade and 77 Fahrenheit, 6 to 8 hours maximum storage time. You can see in refrigerator 4 ounce centigrade, 39 Fahrenheit, and maximum storage will be up to 5 days. Freezer compartment inside a refrigerator minus 15 Celsius, then 5 Fahrenheit, 2 weeks maximum storage. A combined refrigerator and freezer with separate doors minus 18 centigrade, 0 Fahrenheit temperature, and 3 to 6 months maximum storage time. Chest or upright manual defaults deep freezer minus 20 centigrade and minus 4 ounce Fahrenheit, maximum storage time 6 to 12 months. Problem of breastfeeding. First one is breast pain, biting, too much milk, breast abscess, breast engorgement, sore nipple, inverted nipple, working mothers, baby who doesn't suck, baby who refuse on breast. Sore and cracked nipple. The causes of sore and cracked nipples include improper latching on by the baby, thirst, dry skin, dermatitis, biting. Thank you.